Marine mammals observed in the Caribbean Sea. In the Caribbean Sea, over 35 species of marine mammals can be observed. A better understanding of their environment and behavior will help you operate respectful sightings and share key information with the general public, area managers, and scientists. Together, let's make whale watching a sustainable activity.
Bonjour, Claire Pusineri, je suis chargée de mission mammifères marins au CARSPO, le centre d'activité régional pour le protocole SPO, qui est le protocole dédié à la préservation de la biodiversité dans la Caraïbe de la Convention de Carthagène. Alors il faut savoir que l'activité d'observation des mammifères marins n'est pas sans impact sur ces animaux. Sans le respect de règles simples, ils vont être dérangés et leur mode de vie peut ainsi être modifié à court et à long terme. Ce phénomène peut par exemple entraîner une baisse de l'état de santé, des déplacements de population ou encore une diminution de la reproduction. Donc cela est une menace bien entendu pour les animaux, mais aussi pour l'activité de whale watching, pour votre activité.
Marine mammals are subject to several pressures, mainly due to human activity. Bycatch and entanglement in active or derelict fishing gear, ship strikes, loss or damage of their habitats such as coral reef destruction, chemical pollution of surface waters, or noise pollution. All marine mammals found in the Caribbean are vulnerable species, protected by the SPA protocol, but also by an array of national laws and rules that we advise you to check and respect. Here are the most emblematic marine mammals of the Caribbean. The West Indian manatee. The adult individual is about 3 to 4 meters long, generally found in coastal habitats or in estuaries, alone or in small groups. It is a discreet and quiet animal, only shown with the tip of its snout at the surface. This herbivore's diet is quite diverse, including seagrass, mangrove leaves, algae, and a variety of aquatic plants such as the common water hyacinth. The shortfin pilot whale. As an adult, it measures up to 7 meters for males and 5 meters for females. Highly gregarious, it is often observed in pods of about 15 individuals and sometimes in clusters resting at the surface. Curious, it can get close to boats. It is a common species throughout the greater Caribbean, but often sighted near the steep slopes along the continental shelf breaks. The melon-headed whale. It is a dolphin with no discernible beak. Its charcoal gray to dark gray body grows up to 2 to 3 meters. The bottlenose dolphin. Somewhat stockier than other small dolphins, it measures between 2.5 and 4 meters. It is often seen in groups of a few individuals and sometimes in larger pods. Playful and curious, bottlenose dolphins can get close to boats and interact at the surface. They are among the most common species in the greater Caribbean, especially in coastal areas. The Atlantic spotted dolphin. Compared with other dolphins, it is a medium-sized, robust dolphin. Its skin gets more and more mottled as it matures. Its length is usually between 1.7 and 2.3 meters. Often sighted in large pods, they like to approach ships and ride bow waves. They are among the most common species in the greater Caribbean, especially around continental slopes and shelves and around the islands. The pantropical spotted dolphin. Slender and streamlined, their back, flanks, and dorsal fin are dark gray, with more and more clear spots around their body as they mature. Adults are about 1.6 to 2.5 meters long. Often sighted in large pods, they commonly play around boats and ride bow waves. They are the most common species in the greater Caribbean, especially around island slopes and continental shelves. The sperm whale. It is rather easy to identify at sea, being the largest toothed whale with an average of 16 meters in length, a dark and uniform color, and a strong blow pointing left at a 45-degree angle. Rather solitary, they are also seen in small pods of less than 10 individuals, sometimes resting or socializing at the surface. They feed on deep-sea prey, Sperm whale vocalization is powerful and characterized as series of clicks. The humpback whales. Humpbacks can easily be identified by their long head covered with knobs and white elongated pectoral fins. Its fluked tail is typical with wavy trailing edges in varying patterns. Adults range in length from 12 to 16 meters. In the Caribbean, humpbacks are not observed year-round. The first sightings usually occur at the end of the year, and the last individuals are reported before the end of April. They migrate to tropical waters to breed and give birth. Their mating area extends from Cuba to the south of Venezuela. The highest concentration of individuals is found north of the Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico and around the Lesser Antilles. Solitary individuals or mother and calf pairs or very small groups are generally seen in shallow water zones, 10 to 200 meters of depth, or offshore above coral plateaus. The whale calf stays with its mother for 5 or 6 years. Humpbacks are the most acrobatic of the large whales, breaching entirely out of the water, pectoral slapping, and lobtailing. Curious, they often get close to ships. Read and learn more about the biology of these species on our website www.car-spa.rac.org. Browse through each species fact sheet and identify your closest marine sanctuary or protected area managers on your territory. They are the key partners for biodiversity education, knowledge, and conservation.